Eric Muadit, Muadit.com for January 22nd, 2016, Friday. End of options expiration week. We are looking at the Dow opening this morning session up about 215 points for the day. And we are looking at the VIX, which is pulling back off the highs of this week, which was at above $30. So the VIX still trading at 23. Suggests that we can still use hourly charts to figure out what this market is trying to do. So right now with the market opening higher, gapping up, so to say, Dow up more than 200 points. Let's take a look at what's going on here. The key here short term is to take a look at the hourly. We see two lines that the market is going to have to decide what to do with. First line is this backtest line that we've been talking about. Now this line has been resistance over the last couple of weeks. Every time we hit that level and show resistance, we get a short-term high in the market, double top there for these highs and this high here, and now we are coming back to test that level. So also there's another line that the market is trying to decide what to do here, and it's a second line, which was the break line here. And once the market broke through that right there, we can see that we began the move lower at the start of 2016. So we can draw a line from there. We should look like that. So if the market wants to move higher, it needs to be above that red line. Otherwise, if it turns back and heads lower and shows resistance, it's going to be another short-term high, just like we had a short-term high here when the market hit that line and pull back. So depending on how the market responds to this line here, it could be a level where markets could actually show some resistance for the rest of the day. Maybe we are looking at highs if the market continues to respect those two lines. And again, those two lines are the back test break line there being tested, and then also there's another line coming from the recent break point there. Anything showing resistance on those two lines, and we see an intraday high at current levels. And especially more so now that we are coming with the market here, Dow up about 225 points and now back above 50. Keep in mind we are coming close to the end of the hour with about 7 minutes to go. So if the market closes above 50 for this hour, now the trap becomes if it moves back below 50 for the following hour, which would suggest that net the market could actually have a reversal on an hour-to-hour basis, because as it moves above 50, as it's doing right now, you get a nice push higher. As it moves below 50, you get the reverse, which is a move lower on an hour-to-hour basis. So around here, don't be surprised that the market pulls back for the early morning and maybe even for the rest of the day. We shall see. Eric Muadit, Muadit.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. I am out for now. I shall be back at some other point. Mwah.